Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create at yours template on Instagram story. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, let's just create an Instagram story. You can go to the story section right here, and for example, I'm going to upload a photo from my gallery. I'm just going to upload this photo, and then we can click on the sticker button and choose template. Choose templates right here, guys, to create add yours template. And here we have to add text, gifs, or image. First, I'm going to add text. I'm going to add all about sunset like this. All right, and then we can click on done right here, and I'm just going to place this tags on the top. Okay, and then we have to pin tags, gif, or images to create a template. We can click on this pin button and then click on the text if you want to pin the text. Okay, and then the text has been pinned, and others cannot edit this text. And here you can read the explanation. Anyone can join in and add to what's pinned, and I'm just going to click on next, and then we just need to click on your story to share this template to our story. And right after we share this template to our Instagram story, our followers can can use this template for their Instagram story. Alright guys, and that's how we can create at your template on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.